Hi, I'm Robert with Acme Locksmith. Today we're providing a non-security edition of Locksmith Recommended that's going to save you a ton of money. Like most everyone right now, I am at home isolating. And I'm watching a lot of YouTube and I'm eating a lot of snacks. I must have gained 5 pounds during this self-isolation. Well, I'm watching YouTube the other day and I came across this video with 400,000 views.
That is the Salbri popcorn popping bowl. Now this thing has over 11,000 reviews.
And what's he talking about? A popcorn maker. Basically a bowl for your microwave to make popcorn that costs $20. 400,000 views discussing this bowl. Well, I'm going to save you all a ton of money. You don't need to spend $20 on a bowl to make great popcorn in your microwave. All you need is one of these. Little paper lunch bag that we've all had around for many, many years. Cost about $2 in packs of 100. Not only are you going to save a lot of money on the vessel to make your popcorn, but you're going to save a ton of money on the popcorn. Look at the size of this bag. This cost about $2. Now, if you compare this to the 3-pack or the 4 or 5 packs that you might get of the pre-made, pre-bagged popcorn, those run $3 to $5 and give you 3 to 5 servings. This will give you 15 to 20 servings of popcorn, depending on the size bag you get. It's the most affordable way out there to do it. So how in the world do you make popcorn in a microwave with just this? Super easy, let me show you. Here's a bag I already have open. My daughter and I have been making a lot of popcorn this week. 1/4 cup measuring cup. Just fill this 1/4 cup measuring cup up with popcorn and put it in this bag. No oil, no butter, just the popcorn in a bag. Popcorn in the bag. Give it a couple quick folds just to seal the top. There you go, that's it. Now you just put this in the microwave. How long depends on how strong your microwave is. And you're gonna pop it just like you do the pre-made bags. You're gonna let it pop until the kernels slow down their popping so that you make sure you don't burn the popcorn, but you get it out after almost everything's popped. Just wait a minute and we're gonna have delicious, fresh popcorn. There we go. Now it's going really good. Now I'm just gonna listen for it, wait for it to slow down a little bit here. As soon as I go a second or two between pops, I'm gonna pull this out. All right, we're done. In my microwave, which is 1,000 watts, took me about 1 minute and 40 seconds. I always just put it in for 3 or 4 minutes and then I just pull it out when the sound gets to be a second or so between kernels. Okay, here we are. I now have a bag full of popcorn. Delicious, healthy. If I want to add butter, I can just melt some butter in the microwave, pour it right on the bag. No cleanup, no hassle. Inexpensive, fast, affordable popcorn. I know it's not a locksmith tip, but it's a great tip. I'm Robert with Acme Locksmith, and you've been watching Locksmith Recommended.